Welcome back to Greater Mood and Wellness Channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of maintaining youthful looks. We all want that radiant, healthy appearance that turns heads and makes us feel amazing, inside and out. But what does that really mean, and how do we get there? You see it everywhere, magazines, social media, everyone's looking for that magic solution. Well, I'm here to tell you there's no magic involved, but rather simple science-backed strategies you can implement today to look and feel your best. Let's get started and unlock your full potential. So, what exactly are youthful looks? Well, it's not just about looking like your younger self, it's more about radiating vitality, energy, that captivates. Think about it. It's the sparkle in your eyes, the genuine smile on your face, even the way you carry yourself with confidence and grace. It's about your skin, yes, that smooth, supple texture everyone desires, but it's also about so much more. It's about healthy hair, full and lustrous, framing your face like a halo. And let's not forget about those pearly whites. A bright, healthy smile can light up a room and take years off your appearance. But it goes deeper than just the physical. True youthfulness stems from a place of inner well-being. It's about feeling good from within, about having energy that pulsates outwards, affecting not just how you look, but how you interact with the world around you. Remember, youthful looks are subjective. What matters most is feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. Embrace your individual beauty and let it shine through. Let's break down what we mean by youthful looks. We often associate it with smooth, wrinkle-free skin, right? And while that plays a part, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Think of it like this. Your body is a finely tuned machine. Just like a car needs the right fuel and regular maintenance to run smoothly, your body thrives on nourishing foods, proper hydration, and enough sleep. These are the foundations of a youthful appearance. Then there's the outside stuff. We're talking about protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays, using skincare products that nourish and revitalize, and maintaining a consistent exercise routine to keep your body toned and your energy levels soaring. But here's the kicker. True youthfulness radiates from within. It's about managing stress, cultivating positive relationships, and finding joy in the everyday moments. So, it's not just about erasing wrinkles, it's about holistic well-being. A synergy of internal health and external care that truly unlocks that youthful glow. Ready to maintain that youthful glow? Here are some effective ways to do just that. First and foremost, prioritize your sleep. I know life gets busy, but aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial for cell regeneration and collagen production. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next, let's talk about nutrition. Fuel your body with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants to fight off free radicals. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for plump, dewy skin. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your appearance, leading to premature aging and dullness. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine like meditation, yoga, or simply taking a moment for yourself to breathe deeply. Finally, don't underestimate the power of exercise. Regular physical activity increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, leaving you with a healthy, radiant complexion. Now for the grand finale. How to preserve your youthful appearance for years to come. It's about consistency and making healthy choices a way of life. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. Don't smoke. Smoking accelerates aging, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and a dull complexion. And while we're at it, limit your alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption dehydrates the skin and can contribute to premature aging. Find a skincare routine that works for you and stick to it. Cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize regularly, and don't forget to show your eye area some love with a good eye cream. Most importantly, cultivate a positive mindset. Embrace aging gracefully, focus on the things you love about yourself, and remember that true beauty comes from within. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips on living your best life. Remember, maintaining a youthful appearance isn't about turning back the clock, but rather, embracing the aging process with grace and vitality. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out, protecting your skin, and cultivating a positive mindset. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can unlock your full potential and radiate that youthful glow at any age. So go ahead, embrace your inner youth and let it shine through. See you next time.